Hello there, beautiful people. In this video, I will show you how to add a gift wrap option on the product page on your Shopify store, and you can display it on the products that you want and charge a fee if you want, and will show up only on the products that you want. For example, as you can see, this one is add a gift wrapper for $3, and this price right here will be automatically detected based on the fee that you'd set for the product, which will be the gift wrap. And once I click on it, for example, it will add an actual product, which basically will be the fee on the cart, so you can charge customers for this. And as I said, it will only show up on specific products that you want. For example, if I access this one, this bracelet right here, it will not have the option. And of course, you can show it on all products if you want. And without any more talking, let's just jump to it. So the first thing you're going to do is obviously access Shopify dashboard. Once you are on Shopify dashboard, you see the settings here at the bottom left corner right here. Click on it, and after that, click on meta fields and meta objects, and click on the first option here below, meta field definition, which is products. Click on it and click on add definition button right here. And for the name for it, make sure you name it as gift wrapper. Make sure it's identical to what I write it right now. It's very important, otherwise it will not work. So gift wrapper, you can see it clearly in the screen. Now the next thing you're going to do is click on select type and scroll all the way down until you see product option right here, and simply click on it, click on products, and click on save. Now we're done with the meta field. Close the settings here and simply click on online store or the sales channel. Click on online store, and after that, the next thing you're going to do is the most important step again, is click on the three dots and duplicate the theme. Do this on the duplicated theme, and if you like the changes, click on publish. If you don't, you still have the previous version intact. After that, click on edit theme for the duplicated theme, of course. Now on the home page right here at the top of the page, click on it and select product and navigate to the default template you are using. Now on the left of the screen, you should see template. As you can see below it, you should see product information or product section. It depends on the theme you are using. Click on the arrow to be expanded, so the section will be expanded. Now scroll down a little bit, and above the buy it now, which is where the recommended option should be above the buy it now, so if you can be visible to the customers. Click on the plus button right here and search for custom, and you will see custom liquid right here. Click on it and this option to paste in some code. Now scroll down description box and you will see a link. Click on it and it should open up this page right here. Now click on this button to copy the code, get back again to the custom liquid section and paste it in here. Click on save and nothing will show up. Why? Because we need to specify which product we want to add the gift wrap option on. Next thing we're going to do is exit from the theme editor. Now access product section from the left menu and simply navigate to the first product that you want to add. But first, make sure you create a separate product called gift wrapper, which will be the fee. So as you can see, I did create this one, a gift wrapper. I did an image that's a little bit relevant, and for the price I did $3, which is reasonable. And for the stock, make sure to make it a limited or something like that, some high number, so you don't run out of stock accidentally when customers trying to purchase the gift wrapper. And one last pro tip is this one right here. Make sure you click on it and select enlisted. So this gift wrapper will not show up on your collections or the products on your store. It will only be accessed directly by linking, which is exactly what I'm about to do. Now let me click on enlisted. After that, click on products now, and now simply navigate to the product where you want to add the gift wrapper option. Let me scroll down a little bit. I want to add it on this one right here, which is the same one, because if I reload the page, the option is gone. I already removed it. The power of video editing. Now click on the product you want to add the option on and scroll all the way down, and you will see this option, product meta field. As you can see, if you scroll down, you will see gift wrapper, which is the meta field we added. Now click on the empty space in here, click on select product and simply select the product fee, which is the gift wrapper. This one right here says a list. Gonna click on select, click on done, click on save, and we are done. Now if I get back to the product again, which is this one, reload the page, and here it is. If I clicked on it, it's gonna add again the gift wrapper and that's how you add the gift wrap option on the product page on your Shopify store, completely free and without using applications. If you need help with your Shopify store, make sure to reach out. But for now, I think my job is done. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.